Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, in our previous lecture we had learned the chapter The Earth in Space. Now it's time to do the classwork and homework. In this connection, we will start first the definition of different terms used in the chapter. Okay, then fill in the blanks, then true and false, then one word answer and the question answer, and there are also two activities. The one, draw a solar system on your copy and work page from book. Okay, now is one word answer. Number one is a round circle like a ball is called sphere. Number two, a person who travels beyond the Earth atmosphere is called astronaut. Number three, the Earth's natural satellite is Moon. An imaginary line running from North Pole to South Pole is called axis. Number five, the path of the Earth round the Sun is called orbit. Now is fill in the blanks. The first blank is the Sun is a huge star. The second one is a space probe is a robotic aircraft approaches to land of Moon and other planets. Number three, the 22nd December is the shortest day of the year. Number four, on 23rd September, the day and night are of equal length. Number five, the Earth has two types of movement, which are rotation and revolution. Now, true and false. Number one statement is 21st June is the longest day of the year. That is true. Number two, equator is an imaginary line passes through the center of the Earth. That is also true. The third statement is the Earth is flattened on its North Pole and South Pole. North Pole, South Pole, flattened. That is also true. Number four, the Earth is tilted at 25.5 degree. This is wrong. 23.5 degree. Okay. The last statement is axis is an imaginary line which passes through North to South Pole. This is true. Okay, now it's time for activities. First of all, this is draw a solar system. आप एक सोलर सिस्टम बनाएंगे, बहुत ही नीट, क्लीन, कलरफुल और बहुत ही आई कैचिंग होना चाहिए. आई होप सो आप लोग बहुत अच्छे बनाएंगे और सबको लेबल करेंगे, नेम करेंगे ऑल प्लैनेट्स, और उसकी कलरफुल एक ऑर्बिट के साथ उसकी जो है विद लेबल एक सोलर सिस्टम बनाएंगे. इंशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा बनाएंगे. आई होप आप लोग बहुत अच्छा बनाएंगे. The second was work page from book, page number 4. पेज नंबर 4 पे आप देखेंगे कि दो एक्सरसाइज हैं, एक्सरसाइज ए एंड बी. ए में मैचिंग करनी है आपको स्टेटमेंट और वर्ड के साथ, जबकि बी में एक्सरसाइज बी जो है एक अर्थ की लेबल डायग्राम है. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगी. आप आई होप आप लोगों के लिए मुश्किल नहीं होगी कि इतना थॉरोली हमने लेक्चर और उसको पूरा डिटेल के साथ इसकी जो है ना टर्म्स को पढ़ा है, तो आप लोगों के लिए कोई मुश्किल नहीं होगी. आई होप सो ये तीनों चीजें आपके लिए बहुत इजी होंगी और बहुत अच्छे आप इंटरेस्ट लेके इसको करेंगे. थैंक यू. Now we are explain the term that used in this chapter. The first is universe. Now we are use the terms that is used in this chapter. Now we describe the terms that is used in this chapter. Number one is universe. Universe is the name that we use to describe the collection of all the things that exist in space. It is made of many millions of stars and planets, an enormous cloud of gas separated by a gigantic empty space. Number two, North Pole. North Pole is the northmost point on the planet Earth, where Earth exists, where the Earth axis intersect with its surface. Number three, the South Pole. South Pole is the southernmost point on the planet, is one of the 2 points where Earth's axis of rotation intersect its surface. Number four, spaceship. It is a supercraft. Number four, spaceship. It is a spacecraft that carries people through space. Number five, space probe. A space probe is a robotic spacecraft that does not orbit Earth but instead explore further into other outer space and also approaches to land of moon and other planet. Number six, equator. Equator is an imaginary line that runs all the way around the middle of the earth. Number seven, hemisphere. Hemisphere is equator divides the earth into 2 parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Satellite. Satellite may be a celestial body orbiting the earth or other planets, or an artificial body placed in orbit round the earth or moon or another planet in order to collect the information or for communication. Number 9, solstice. 21st June is the longest day of the year and 22nd December is the shortest day of the year. Each of the 2 times is called solstice. Number 10, equinox. When day and night are equal length, about 22nd December and 20th March. Now question and answers. Question number 1 is describe the shape of the earth. The answer is the earth is like a huge ball and its shape is a sphere. Question number 2, where on the earth's surface is the sun hottest throughout the year? The answer is the places that are close to the equator are hot throughout the year. Number 3, how are the seasons caused? Name the seasons. The different seasons and climatic conditions are on the earth are caused by its revolution around the sun and by the tilt of the axis. There are 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn and spring. Question number 4 is explain the differences between rotation and revolution. Rotation means to spin around axis, while revolution means to move around an object. Number 2, rotation, earth rotates on its axis while earth revolves around the sun. It's complete in one day. Rotation completes in one day, while revolution completed in a year.